Hello everyone, in this tutorial we are going to understand the rotate command in AutoCAD. So here we can see that the symbol for the rotate command in modify toolbar. Let's make a random figure of any dimensions. Now let us suppose I want to rotate this rectangle at an angle of 30 degree. So I will take a rotate command, and in the command line bar it will ask me rotate select object. So which object you want to rotate? This rectangle. So I will select this rectangle, then right click or enter from the keyboard. Now specify base point for that. Let us suppose the base point for rotation is this one. So once you select this one, if your ortho mode is off, you can see this, your rectangle starts moving. So it will move anti-clockwise or clockwise as well. So if you give positive angle, it will rotate in anti-clockwise direction, and if you give negative angle, it will rotate in clockwise direction. So this is a standard in the rotation in mathematics. So in the command line bar, now it will ask me specify rotation angle. So let us suppose the rotation angle is 30. So I'm giving the positive angle. So you can see this, your rectangle has been rotated. So let's check the angle. I just make a line here with the help of dimension command. This angle is 30. Now come back to its original position. Now if you see that once you select the rotation command and you want to rotate this object, and let us suppose the base point is again same, which is this corner, and you will see that in the command line bar it will ask you copy and reference. So what is this? So let's make a copy of it. It will copy your rotated object at a original position. So original position is this one. So let us suppose you want to rotate at an angle of 90 degree. So just write 90 over here. It will be rotated at 90 degree in this way. So in this way you can use the copy command in rotation command as well. It will also make you copies of the rotated object. See the reference in rotation. Make a small line at any angle. You want to make this rectangle at an angle of this line, but you are not aware about the angle of this line. So there is no need to use the dimension command to find out the angle of this particular line. First of all, take this rectangle towards this line. So I will select this one, and with the help of move command, I will select from this point and come over here. Take a rotation command. Now select the objects which you want to rotate. I want to rotate this rectangle with reference to this line. Now right click. Now what is the base point? Again I take this base point. Now take a reference. Now once you take the reference, you have to select 3 points here. The first point is this one, second point is this end point, and third point is whatever the reference line you have. See, once you select this one, your rectangle is rotated with reference to that particular line. So this is the reference sub command in rotation command. So students, this is the rotation command in the AutoCAD. If you have any query, you can give the questions in the comment section. Kindly subscribe my channel. Be happy. Thanks for watching.